Black soldier farming is an emerging insect that is being domesticated to solve a wide variety of problems. One of the main problems is animal feeds. BSF is a good source of protein with up to 50% crude protein and feeds and have amino acid profile that is similar to that of the fish meal. It also solves the waste management problem as it feeds on agricultural and slaughter wastes. BSF farming is also a source of employment to the women and youth. Farmers also make some good income from the sale of the black soldier fly starter packs. Some of the key requirements to start a BSF unit are 1. A piece of land. One needs a relatively small piece of land because a BSF unit is not big. 2. Structure. The BSF unit will also depend on the location one is setting up the unit. In cold places, it is recommended to use a greenhouse, while in hot places like Marigat, it is recommended to use an iron sheet structure to regulate the temperature not to be too hot. The stands inside the structure can be made of metal bars or timber depending on the farmer's pocket. Inside the structure, one needs crates to hold BSF larvae and substrates. There are other cheap materials like plastic containers and troughs that can be used instead of crates to save on cost. Larve cages. This is where black soldier flies lay their eggs. It is advisable to use white nets as the insects need light. 5. Substrate. 80% of the key development stages of the BSF require farm or slaughter wastes to feed them. 6. The BSF starter kit. The insects can be sourced locally from reputable farms or BSF producers. Call the contacts for more info. The insect has 5 developmental stages, which includes the eggs, the larva, pre-pupa, pupa, and the black soldier flies. The eggs takes a maximum of 4 days, the larva takes a maximum of 18 days, then the pre-pupa will take a maximum of 14 days. The adult BSF has a lifespan of 9 days. We recommend using the larva of between 7 to 9 days as the startup kit for the BSF unit. The larva should be brought to a unit that is fully equipped with stands and trays ready for feeding. A farmer can feed the larva using a variety of organic wastes ranging from market wastes, animal waste like pig and cow manure, especially the non-ruminant waste, slaughter waste, hotel waste, and other industrial bioproducts like brewery wastes, wheat bran, maize jam, and so on. The larvae are fed up to 14 days, then they upgrade to pre-pupa. You feed them for around 5 days, then stop the feeding as they will have transformed into pupa. They do not require feeding at this stage, just maintain the temperature and the moisture. The substrate should not be dry. Here, you sieve the pupa, then get them into the cage. The larve cage is where the flies will emerge from their cocoons or the shells. Before you introduce the pupa into the larve cage, ensure that the larve cage is prepared and very clean. Ensure that you have the attractant where they are going to lay their eggs. The farmer also has to provide some water in a moist towel or a cotton wool for the flies to drink or to suckle. The BSF do not require feeds. The water will help them prolong their days. The females will emerge first, followed by males. Then they mate in 2 days. They will stay in the larve cage for 9 days, then they start dying. The eggs are collected for 3 days for up to 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks, you empty the larve cage and introduce another pupa. Once the eggs have been collected from the larve cage, they are set in a good substrate. If possible, you can ferment the substrate so that the nutrients are made available for the young larvae that shall emerge. Hatching takes a maximum of 4 days, so the eggs have hatched. The cycle continues back to the adult flies. When setting the eggs, use separate trays so that you obtain uniform size of the larva. In BSF farming, we have 2 end products, a product and a byproduct. The main product is the clean harvested larva that can be taken to the poultry direct after washing, cleaning it thoroughly with boiled water. The clean larva can be dried, then melted to be used in feed formulation. The byproduct you get is the biofertilizer. BSF farming is a good quality source of organic fertilizer that improves the crop production.